everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Chester's here. Welcome you all too. So I actually forgot to record the intro for this video. Today we're going to be installing a cat back exhaust on my brother-in-law's M4. He has a 2018 M4 Competition and he just purchased the AWE track exhaust. Basically going to straight pipe the vehicle. He already has some resonators deleted and the cat's removed, but we're doing an official straight pipe now. It's going to open up the exhaust to I think like 3.5 inches in diameter, and we're going to be removing the back muffler. Let's go ahead and cut to the install. So you can see here, he still has the OEM muffler, but pretty much everything else is just straight piped. Hair's all messed up, so let's ignore that. Brother-in-law just pulled up and we're trying to put the exhaust on. We got it on jacks on here. We're running into one issue already. On the first step, you're supposed to cut past the OEM secondary cats, but as you can see here, so this is where the secondary cats are supposed to be. Obviously they're not there. So now we're just trying to figure out the best way to cut the exhaust, but we're thinking of using the surrounding areas from the images and cutting around there and just cutting a little longer so we can trim more if we need to. So after thinking through that issue, we decided to just go ahead and start. We had to go ahead and first remove this bracket that was on the mid pipe, just a couple of bolts, but one of them actually ended up getting stripped. So here we are applying a bunch of heat, and finally, after drilling out the center of the bolt, we removed it. Oh, Robert, I got it. Now we're thinking through how the best way is to measure and cut the mid pipe. Like I said, it's better to cut more than less.
Yeah. All right, let's do 5.5 for this one.
And the other one's 8.
Finally, we settled on just measuring a little bit over and cutting more off if we needed to.
Oh, 5 point. Yeah, there you go.
Once we started cutting, we realized that the Sawzall was actually hitting the heat shield that was around the mid pipes. I decided to go ahead and unbolt the hangers that was holding the exhaust up to lower the exhaust and give us some more space so we could do a full cut with the Sawzall.
You
ready for some wheels?
We used to play that game like 24/7.
Hear this bitch.
Imagine this side was supposed to be the 4 inches and that side was... Man.
I would punch you.
I'm scared now.
Good. YouTube's gonna see all your cutting technique right now. Oh, I would not go to your shop. I don't think it even needs to be straight like that.
Now with the OEM exhaust removed, we are able to start with the AWE track exhaust. The first section being this X pipe that's going to replace starting immediately after the secondary cats. You do have to reuse the hangers from the OEM exhaust, so we went ahead and swapped those over and are bolting those back onto the car.
Oh, is this the camera?
Oh, yeah, that's my GoPro.
Is this the case? Man, I'm shaking this thing. This like looks super. Wait, is it recording?
Oh, really? Both feel like this when you put them in?
After getting all the hangers bolted back up, we went ahead and slid on the rest of the exhaust system. We didn't tighten anything just yet, just to make sure that everything fit right.
Yeah, it's like that. Okay.
Quick tip, don't bolt the hangers up to the car just yet. Transfer them onto the new exhaust and then bolt them up as you're putting them in, because it's going to be a lot easier that way. And here is the final result. We have everything all nice and tidy. Now that the exhaust is installed, let's go ahead and get the first start.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna get the position for my GoPro. Man, it looks good too.
Sounds way better.
Oh guys, that's the result of the straight pipe on the M4. We're gonna go take it for a drive right now and get some flybys, but man, does that thing sound way louder than it needs to be. Yeah, you still hear it. He's a fathead. Man, that thing is loud. So we're out now. Sounds like a baby compared to his. Does everything look good? Bro, I can't believe how loud it is. Give it a little bit. What up? Bruh. Alright guys, and there you go. That is what an F82 M4 sounds like with a complete straight pipe. This is the original exhaust. These markings here are where we cut from. Like I mentioned earlier, he already had his secondary cats deleted. The resonators up front were deleted. And this is basically what we got rid of, is this whole back box for the muffler. This is the OEM M4 Competition muffler. And basically we went ahead and straight piped it with the AWE track exhaust. And the track exhaust did open it up to a 3.5 inch diameter, I'm pretty sure. That's the measurement. Yeah, no complaints on that kit. It actually went on pretty smoothly. We had a couple issues, but that was nothing to do with the kit. That was just, you know, typical errors that you find while working on cars. The car actually sounds very good for being a straight pipe. Usually I know straight pipes can just be obnoxious and annoyingly loud, but it actually gives the car a lot more of a deeper tone and gets rid of that ugly, like, you know, S55 sound that you usually hear. We always made fun of him and told him his car sounded like a fart. Now it actually sounds good for once, it's just very loud. Anyways guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Camera just doesn't do it justice, but the car actually sounds very loud. Like, the whole time we were driving, I kept thinking my exhaust valves were closed because of how loud the car was. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.